Friday, August 30th, 2024, Saint Euphrasia. Focus. The foolishness of God is wiser than men. Paul was an educated Pharisee who had studied under Gamaliel. He could write eloquently on complex topics, but here he keeps it simple. A favorite theme is contrasting the wisdom of humans with the foolishness of God. The world failed to know God through wisdom, so now the world will know God through the folly of the cross. Christ too spoke such that the simplest of people could understand. The parable of the 10 virgins needs no explanation. It is not only the parable that wants us to be ready, for we know neither the day nor the hour. In different styles, both readings tell us about God's way and how we should go about our lives. St. Paul wants us to stick to the humble essentials. Difficult as this might be, to foolishly preach Christ crucified. It is hardly something glorious in the eyes of a world that values pomp and fame. The foolishness of God is wiser than man, no doubt. But the foolishness of humans, 5 virgins, is just that, foolishness. We cannot be complacent as witnesses in the world. We must carry our flask of oil, contemplate Scripture, spend time in prayer, and stand by the serve the bridegroom in the person of a needy neighbor. Fruit. One way I can put on God's foolishness is to help those who have no way to repay me.